Good afternoon students. Today we will learn how to represent rational numbers on the number line. Next we are going to see how to represent any rational number on the number line. यानी रेशनल नंबर्स को हम नंबर लाइन पे कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करें ये आज हम सीखेंगे। तो बेटा पहले तो हम कुछ नंबर्स को रेशनल नंबर्स को कुछ कैटेगरी में कैटेगराइज कर लेते हैं। जैसे आपने सुना होगा फ्रैक्शंस के लिए प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या होता है, जिसमें न्यूमरेटर छोटा हो और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो। तो उसी तरह से जिस रेशनल नंबर में न्यूमरेटर छोटा हो और डिनोमिनेटर बड़ा हो वो रेशनल नंबर्स हमेशा 0 एंड 1 के बीच में लाई करेंगे। द रेशनल नंबर्स इन विच न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर देन इट्स डिनोमिनेटर दैट विल ऑलवेज लाइज बिटवीन 0 and 1. For example, we are taking some example. Suppose we have to represent 4/9 on the number line. Which type of rational number it is? You can see that numerator is smaller and denominator is greater. So definitely it will lie between 0 and 1. But how to represent? For that, see, we will draw a number line in which we will take numbers 0, 1, 2, similarly negative integers -1 and -2. This is the number line and these are the numbers, integers on it. Now we know that in 4/9 numerator is smaller and denominator is greater, that's why it will lie between 0 and 1. So as much denominator are there, we will make the number line in that equal parts between 0 and 1. मतलब डिनोमिनेटर 9 है तो हम क्या करेंगे, 0 और 1 के बीच में 9 बराबर पार्ट करेंगे। 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 और 9 अपने आप ये 1 वाली लाइन जो है वो 9 हो जाएगी। मीन्स वी हैव टू ड्रॉ एज मच पार्ट, वी विल ड्रॉ वन लेस लाइन, एक लाइन हम कम ड्रॉ करेंगे। हाउ मच इज न्यूमरेटर? तो पहले न्यूमरेटर की बात छोड़ो, मैं बताऊं आपको। ये जो पहला नंबर होगा इट विल बी 1/9, दूसरा होगा 2/9, तीसरा होगा 3/9, चौथा होगा 4/9 और यही हमारा नंबर है, यही हमारे नंबर की लोकेशन है। बाकी ये 5/9, 6/9, 7/9, 8/9 सो ऑन, ऐसे चलता जाएगा। तो याद क्या रखना है कि इफ न्यूमरेटर इज स्मॉलर एंड डिनोमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर, सो दैट विल लाई बिटवीन 0 and 1. We will draw as much denominator is there, we will draw that equal part between that two numbers 0 and 1. And what is our numerator? Numerator is 4. So this fourth line, you can understand in this way, this fourth line is the location of 4/9. This one is 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9. Got it? One more example we will take, that is 3/7. How to do? In the same way, this is 0, this is 1. How much denominator? 7 is denominator. So 7 equal parts we will draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and last one is 7. As you know, for to draw the 7 part we have to draw only 6 lines. So 7 part is there. Each part is showing the 1/7. 1/7, 2/7, 3/7, 4/7, 5/7, 6/7. 3 is numerator. So third line, 1, 2 and 3. This is the location of 3/7. Got it? Now the second type that we will discuss, the second type that is in which numerator is greater than denominator. Second type in which numerator is greater than the denominator. मतलब कह सकते हैं, एग्जाम्पल लें, जैसे एग्जाम्पल में ले सकते हैं 9/4. ओके, तो where that will lie? तो बेटा for such rational numbers where numerator is greater and denominator is smaller, what we will do? Firstly we will convert them into mixed fraction. Okay, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, it will be 2 whole 1/2. And as much whole part is there, like here 2 is the whole part, as much whole part is there, that number will lie between that whole number and its next number. Means this number will lie between 2 and 3. Okay, this is the example number 1. For example number 1, it will lie between 2 and 3. Suppose we are taking the second example, that is 4 5 by 4. What we will get? 1 whole 1 by 2. What is the whole part here? 1. So it will lie between 1 and 2. So second number will lie between 1 and 2. In this way we will decide. Means when we will get such rational number where numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. In such rational number, firstly we will convert them into mixed fraction, and as much whole number is there, as much the number in whole part, that number will lie between that whole number and next number. Means here between 2 and 3, and for this between 1 and 2. So how to represent? In the same manner we will represent. For the first number we are representing 9 by 4. So we write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the whole part here? 2. So it will lie between 2 and 3. What is the denominator there? Sorry, it will be 4, 2 whole 1 by 4. Sorry. So what is denominator there? Denominator is 4. So we will divide 4 equal parts between 2 and 3. That is 1, 2, 3 and 4th is itself. What is the numerator now? See this. In the mixed fraction we will see. What is the numerator now? Numerator is 1. So this first part is the location of 2 whole 1 by 4. But we will not write 2 whole 1 by 4. We will write that number which is even in the question, that is 9 by 4. So this is the location of 9 by 4. Okay, similarly on the same number line we can represent the second also. That is 1 whole 1 by 2. So we can understand that it will lie between 1 and 2. So between 1 and 2, what is the denominator there? Sorry, what is the denominator there? 4. So 4 parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4. What is the numerator there? 1. So this first part is the location of 1 whole 1 by 4. That is 5 by 4. That is the 5 by 4. And the last one is that we will discuss today. That is the rational number in which numerator is equals to 0. For example, 0 by 7, 0 by 100, 0 by 999. So where numerator is 0, its value becomes 0. So they will lie on the 0. They will lie on the 0. Suppose we are taking first example, that is 0, 1 and this side minus 1. We have to represent 0 over 999. So that we will represent on directly 0, that is 0 over 999.